You can fix any wobble on a board or glue up. Here's how. Rip the glue up into slices of 6 inches or less. Run them on the joiner or a table saw jig if you don't have one. First join a face flap, then one of the sides. A perfect match. Now on to the 2 other sides. Rip the second side, first side against the fence, jointed face against the table. Finally, plane the last side, jointed face down. Trim off one side of each board. Trace a line on the other side. Cut all the boards to length. A stop block helps with precision. Add biscuit holes. This step can be skipped, but helps with alignment on the glue up. Glue up the boards. Clamp and leave to dry for a few hours at least. Perfectly square. No wobbles. This board is saved. Save on sanding later by doing some now. All done. Please subscribe and like.